Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on Etsy, firstly go ahead and open your Etsy application. You will end up on the home page of your Etsy's account. Click on You button at the bottom of the page. Tap on Help. Scroll down and under your Etsy account, tap on Account Settings. On the next page, tap on your username option under Account Settings. Tap on Edit Profile. Now all you need to do is click on Change or Remove option right next to your Etsy account's name. Edit your name and click on Save Changes. This is how you can change name on your Etsy account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.